Let me show you our signature dishes. Ta-da! So these are our special dishes. This one is called the MACEO Pad Thai, and this one is special egg pan. Both of them is our signature secret recipe only have in the MACEO Hotel. At the MACEO Hotel, we also have a very special drinks. Like these two are smoothies. I love this because over here we use a very high quality ingredients. Like this one is mango smoothie and this one is a strawberry smoothie. Both of them are taste delicious. You will love it if you try it. This drink is called the MACEO soda. We have several flavors, but these are just example. We have blue Hawaii, we have passion fruit, we also have strawberry and lychee.